Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We are on the 4-hour chart for Solana to check what we might get, of course, after this pump from yesterday. Of course, yesterday the market was a little bit on fire toward the upside, but of course we don't trust it yet so much. And of course we mentioned that we still looking for lower potential in double 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. And of course a wave 5 still of course expected here. This wave 4 there, of course, it can be an ABC. Don't forget that this wave B here is given, of course, as 3 waves. After 3 waves up, 3 waves down, we're looking for a wave C upward. Interesting thing is that yesterday we took the high here. So we took the high of the wave A, meaning you can be in a finished ABC already. So we gotta be careful. And then, of course, dropping it down at any time. So that means, of course, internally, what you can expect here is a potential finished impulse as well. We saw the same on Ethereum, so we gotta be careful. It might be a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Already finished impulse here, and we're pushing towards the downside again, of course, to continue the trend because, again, we did not finish, of course, our counting here downward. We need to finish, of course, the bear market, guys. We cannot push for bullish before finishing, of course, totally the bear market. We still need, of course, one more push toward the downside to hit our target there as expected. And we might finish with it, of course, this ABC on the daily, if you remember, that we need anyway in any bullish scenario, yeah? We are in 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3 towards the upside, leading diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to finish also the wave 4 in 3 ways. And finally, of course, having an A, B, and a C toward the upside. The wave B has to finish in 3 waves. To finish those 3 waves, you need to finish the impulse wave C as an ABC. Your wave C is double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. It's very clear on the macro level, yeah? We can see it clearly on the macro level, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. And that's why I'm still looking, of course, for something lower. Everything going on here is simply corrective in a wave 4, and we might continue the drop downward. Therefore, be careful. Of course, yesterday it was like the market was eager for some green candles. Yeah, they were very hungry yesterday. So that's why we saw a very massive move and very fast, aggressive one with very, very shallow corrections even. Yeah, but it is a very likely a finished impulse there. Took the high already and then pushing for lower again. Currently on the 15-minute chart, we can see a clear impulse 5 ways down. You have 3 waves here potentially, or even double 1, 2 and confirmation. So that is not looking good. Yeah, so we have double 1, 2 and confirmation towards the downside. So that means, of course, wave 3 is opening here. 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, meaning 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 even towards the downside. Continuation simply, of course, for the downtrend here, guys. So yeah, we gotta be careful, of course, with Solana. Let's take a look also at the KGT. Now KGT, of course, it shows somehow a bullish signal, but I still don't trust it so much because yeah, we might also have something bearish. Let me check the bigger or the macro time frame here. Do we have also, okay, yeah, we also have invalidation, but also invalidation of bullish. Okay, this is exactly what I want to see. So also Ethereum, by the way, the previous video for Ethereum also showed invalidation, both sides. That means, of course, a decision is required here from the market. So yeah, we are not sure that we continue toward the upside currently. Higher probability is still, of course, for the downward here based on the macro level. So yeah, be careful from this confusion right now in the market. That means, of course, bearish continuation of the trend, the main trend, of course, which it has higher probability. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.